Today we are making vegan buttercream frosting, which is good on cupcakes. The ingredients you'll need for that is Crisco, which is shortening, regular or dairy-free milk, vanilla extract, icing sugar, and regular butter or Earth Balance butter. Let's get started. With a hand mixer or a mixer, beat together half a cup of shortening and half a cup of butter together. About 2 minutes. It looks really fluffy. Now add 3 cups of icing sugar in and mix for 3 minutes. Now that was in for 3 minutes and looks really fluffy, let's add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of regular or dairy-free milk. Beat that for another 5 to 7 minutes.